أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds. The entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Sovereign of the day of recompense. It is you we worship, and you we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked your anger, or of those who are astray.
Serene for kids.
Salam, this is Taha, a character from Serene for Kids.
Serene for Kids provide Islamic contents from Qur'an, Islamic stories, and Islamic teachings.
Full of fun and learn. Serene for Kids is for everyone and everywhere. Let's learn together.
Serene for Kids team is always researching, reading and thinking to create innovative, fun and learn contents for your little ones.
We are working every day to create Islamic and safe contents.
So feel free to visit us and enjoy our dedicated support.
Serene for Kids. Serene for Kids.